What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We made it.
We made it.
About a half-hour driving.
Yeah.
I never even heard of this place before.
I've never I've never been to Haynes either.
We are in Haynes City. Or Hines City.
I'd say Haynes.
Haynes?
Yeah.
H-A-I-N-E-S. Hines City. Hines? Reminds me of Raccoon City in Resident Evil, though.
Yeah.
Yes. So we drove a half hour here. We have an existing client. It's a management company. We're here in Haynes City, Florida, for a building management company. So they got no cooling, and they think it's low on refrigerant. I'm going to House Cold Pro right now. We're going to start our time. Let's go see what's going on. One thing, I guess, the management company doesn't take care of is landscaping. Yep. Or pest removal.
You just crush that.
Think the doorbell works?
Probably. I feel like it's gonna work.
I guess we shall soon find out. Oh, that's a nasty looking guy right there.
Oh no, you're gonna make him. Oh, never mind. You're gonna make him dead, apparently.
No answer to the door.
Did you only ring the doorbell?
Yeah.
Bang on it. We're the police. That's what I do. Like whenever someone comes to my door, if they just knock real quiet,
Yeah.
which they usually do, I hate that.
You know what's crazy? There's an air conditioning vent up there.
Can you just see under their eyes? Or?
No.
There you go.
Bang with authority.
Yeah. Let them know we're here.
It's gonna suck no one's home.
Yeah, that would suck. Are we here early?
Nope, we've been here.
Or are we like right on time?
We are on time.
No, we're early.
We're early?
We're an hour early.
Are we really an hour early?
Yeah. About one. It's 1:16.
Oh. 30 minutes later.
Oh.
No, that's him. We early. You blocked his driveway. How are you, sir?
I'm gonna let you guys through the front door real quick.
Okay.
Okay.
AC not working right?
Correct.
What happens? Nothing at all.
Nothing at all. We had the unit on, fans not kicking on the outside, and we don't feel anything on the inside either.
Okay. We'll start at the inside.
Yes.
We're a little early, so no rush. All right, so management company thinks it was low on refrigerant, but after listening to the homeowner, because they have a plethora of information to give us, hopefully you're right. Float switch. We'll see. No action going on inside. We shall soon see. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to guess down in the comment section down below. You heard what the homeowner's complaint is. What's the problem?
Sorry, you'll be moving.
It's okay.
This is right here. Sorry, I'm gonna put these here.
Thermostat is. Oh, and where's the unit? The closet?
In the attic.
Oh, in the attic.
No, my husband's already been there twice. And jumping down is not fun.
They're usually hotter?
Yeah, we've gotten to like 90-ish.
All right.
I turned the unit off, so I know that you guys will probably have to turn it on just to see what it's doing. But
See if the fan kicks on. You know, when I signed up for this Florida nonsense, I did not sign up for attics.
No?
Nope. You got a float switch there, don't you?
Sometimes they do wire it up just for the outdoor.
Any water in there?
No?
Huh.
Very good. Let's see if we got signal outside then.
All right. Contact just pulled in. You can hear it. Got my ear right up against it. So that means we have 24 volts going to our outdoor unit, but it looks like we don't have line voltage or issue with electrical here. All right, so real quickly, I checked the panel in the garage. Everything is on there. Let's check this panel right here. Oh, there's some weird shit going on here in Florida. How the hell is this thing open? Lift, close door, lift, door. Get out of here. Whoa. How the hell you open this thing?
Pull down.
Pull down how? You got this thing right here.
Yeah, that folds in.
Huh.
So it's on. Do they have power?
I didn't check yet, but I got a hum. All right. Nothing out of the ordinary. Except the wire out of your electric meter. All right. Field piece. Oh, I heard something there. Let's see what kind of voltage we got here. Put that right there. And right there.
Okay, so let's shut this off. Let's check that out.
What? You may have a bad cap.
You check the top of it?
Of what?
The contact.
Yeah, that's where I check voltage. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's discharge this capacitor. You know, last week
What?
I had just installed a dual capacitor by Amrad on a customer's condenser, right?
Okay.
And I wanted to. I didn't like how it was positioned with the bracket on it. I reused the bracket and it wasn't really sitting well. It was too loose. I turned off the power. I did not discharge the capacitor.
Oh no.
I felt it. You got nothing there, buddy.
Nothing.
Nothing. Not a effing thing.
Nothing
there either.
Nothing there.
Okay, we got a bad cap. Excellent. We have a 40/5. Let's go get a 40/5. Okay, there's the old one. There's a new one. So we're going to need some band iron. We need a little piece of band iron. Secure that bad boy right there. Actually, I could be real ghetto and leave it in the box, but...
Oh, yeah. Let's do that. It's easy.
Yeah. We can do that. We can do that. Absolutely, we can, but we're not going to. Because this is what happens when you call Pipe Doctor Home Services, regardless if you're in the New York metropolitan area of Long Island, New York City, or in Central Florida, Haynesville, Haines City.
You know what? You said last time, before I lost this is that same roll, by the way.
You found it?
Yeah, I think it was Zeke or Hilton that found it. But you found it. You said you were going to show me an easier way of doing this.
Oh, so you don't have to do... Oh, you 2 screws. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, cut it there. With 2 screws or 1 screw?
1 screw.
1 screw?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me show you. Basically using the same principle as this. Did you use 2 screws before or use 1 screw before?
I couldn't tell you if I...
We basically want to duplicate what we have right here. See this? We want to duplicate this with band iron. Very easy to do. And we can even...
So I can just go get you a screw.
Yeah, let's get a 5/16 screw. Oh, don't drop the cap.
14 today?
5/14/24. There it is. There's that new dual cap. We have the numbers or the capacitance on the rating plate pointing towards us, so the next guy who comes here, he'll know what the deal is. Let's go turn the power on. Cross our fingers that nothing goes zap. Bzz. Bzz, bzz, bzz.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
A la peanut butter sandwiches. The guy's wife was hot. Now she's going to be cold. There we go, baby. Nah, it was crooked. I moved it over there. If you are in the Central Florida, Orlando region, and you need a plumber or HVAC issue resolved, give us a call, 407-375-1100.